There we go. All right, that's the twin 5700 Baltic twin exclusive. Yeah. All right, man. Feels good. All right, well, get this off the top. Let's grab some tweezers. Feels good, feels good. Big shout out to Retap for the custom pick there, the multi-pick 13 as he calls it. I've struggled with this lock just because of the sidebar. Nothing I made a custom pick and then I tweaked it, and then I ruined it by trying to tweak it. I was able to set the sidebar and I was like, oh, let me just give it a little bit extra. And then I screwed it up miserably. I guess we should lock this back up. That'll help get the key pins out. He actually mentioned it to me today that I need to use the pick. So, big thanks for that. All right, let's get the tail cap off. I'll show you guys the sidebar. This one's got the special sidebar. For those of you who don't know, I'll show it to you in just a second. This is why these were so sought after. All right, you can see sidebar groove, nothing else going on there. All right, I just dropped a sidebar spring. Should have dropped it in the tray. I'll set that there. There it is, okay. Whew. All right, there's our two sidebar springs. All right. All right, there's the keyway. All right, and if I can get this to focus, come on. Come on, there we go. You see this has a double fence sidebar. It's kind of serrated almost. I'm not sure. I think it's called a fence. I'm not 100% sure, but it's a pain in the ass. So that's the twin exclusive 5700. These are only available in the Baltic regions, so they're a pain in the ass to get, and they're expensive. So that's the big deal about that. Let me show you guys a close-up of the guts. Alrighty. Yeah, I guess we'll do it like that. Flip that around a little bit. Show you guys the false gates on the pins. Yeah, good enough. You guys get the idea. Just if I can zoom in a little better on those. There you go. Yeah, there. I'm about to quit before I send some shit flying. There. Back that up. There we go. And serrations and serrations that grab the sidebar. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.